So once it goes about variables, variables. So variables is like just assigning an alphabet to an integer or to a string or to your data type. So that is mean by variable. Assigning a variable, assigning a alphabet to your data type. If I say that x is equal to 45, then I say that y is equal to 7.8. So if I want, then I say z is equal to um and uh, I am a mathematician. So if I run this now, so if we called out my x, maybe if I'm doing my programming stuff, if I'm doing my analysis and I need 45, I don't need to be typing 45 again. I will just call x out. Let's say print x. So if you print out x, then I have 45. If I say z, if I print out z, then I have what? I'm a mathematician. So all this is just a way of what? It's just what we call variables. So if you check the type, instead of check type 45, now you check type what? Let's check the type of x. So we can see that we have what? We have integer, and 45 is an integer. If you check type y, if you check type y, it will what? It will be float. Then if you check type z, so since it's a variable, we don't need to put any single or double column because it's a variable. So we have a string because I'm a mathematician, it's a string. So now let's declare two variables. Let's say a is equal to I am an aspirant aspirant of data analysis, and say that b is equal to um data science. So let's run this. Now I want to join this together that I am aspirant of data analysis and data science. So to join this together, I can say that I can say print a plus b. So if you print this, you can see that I am aspirant of data analysis. Between data analysis and data science, there is no space between them. So I want to put space. To put space, you can see that print a plus, you now put a space, double quotes, space, double space, then b. If you print out this now, sorry, comma, comma. So you can see that we have a space between data analysis and data science. So this is how we print. Again, we have what? Print a comma b. So if you print this, you see we have what? We have a space. Because I've put a space that the gap is what? Is too much. Now, I want to add, I'm an aspirant of data analysis and data science. So to do so, you just write print a comma and comma b. So let's run this and see what we have. you can see that we have I'm an aspirant or data analysis and data science. So this is how we print. So you can see that addition goes with what? With string. Now let's take subtraction. Let's say a minus b. Let's say print a minus b. If you print this, so it will give us an error because actually subtraction does not work for string. Division does not work for string, and multiplication does not work for string. So it's only addition that is work for string. So you can see that unexpected upright type for minus between string and string. So this is only addition operation that is work for string. Now again, let's move to variables in operations in what? Operations in integer. So we have x. Let me call out my x so that I know what I have there. I have 45 and y I have what? 7.5. I'm not mistaken. So we have 7.8. If I want to multiply them together or I want to add them together, I'll just print x plus y. So to do this now, we have this, which is if you add them together, if it is multiplication, to multiply them, we have x, then multiplication is star. So y, close the bracket. If I run this, I have 351.0. So it gives me float because my y is in the float form and that will give me float. If I want to divide it, so I have x divided by y. So we have this. So you can subtract also. Now, one more core important thing is that this is how we add, subtract, and multiplication in integers. Now, let me declare c to be equal to 2 and d to be equal to 4. So let me run it. I want to do some simple arithmetic which is consists of exponential and modulo. So to do so, I can say that to do exponential in Python, we have print, let's say c exponent 2 exponential 4. 2 exponential 4, we use double star for exponential. We use double star for exponential. If I run this now, I have this. I have 16, that is 2 raised power 4. Let me use the don't let me use so because I've declared a variable, because my 4 d is what was 4. Now let me declare another variable that e is equal to 10 and f is equal to 3. So let me run them. Now I want to do modulo now. Modulo in the sense that we know how modulus works. So I want to work with modulus. To do this, we are going to do print modulus is percentage. Modulus is percentage. E modulus f, that is 10 divided by 3, the remainder we get when we divide 3 by 10. So the remainder is our answer, that is 10 divided by 3 is 3 remainder 1. So our modulus is what? Is 1. So we print out modulus, we have what? We have 1. So we are going to stop here today. See you in the next video. Thank you.